you my only lady. Baby, please don't hate me. Baby, 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 oh my baby, my baby.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to our fabulous corner of the internet where every set sparkles with confidence and creativity. I am your internet bestie Sapphire. Today we will be doing an easy and simple nail design for my beginner nail enthusiasts. If you like fun, colorful, and easy nail designs, then honey, subscribe to our channel. Now sit back, get comfy, grab your favorite drink, and let's create something fun and beautiful together.
It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire.
You're still here? Great, do me a favor and like our video and subscribe to our channel so more beautiful souls like yourself can find us.
You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me,
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Let's engage with each other. Would you wear this nail design? If so, what shape and length? Let me see those comments below.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was it more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I'm gonna cry, but the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bag, give me another hour or so. Why you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Why you bothering me when you know you got a woman? Why you hitting me when you know better? Know you know better, know you cool better than you do. Got me looking for ya, I be looking for ya. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby, sure. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love wherever we want. It don't matter. We do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love, love, Now give me that
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can
Let's engage again. What's your favorite color? Your color may be our next nail inspiration. We will shout you out as well. So comment below.
down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy, just blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you, what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you, what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't knock on easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love.
Thanks for hanging out with us at Phoenyx Nailz. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stunning sets. See you in the next one. Stay fabulous and fierce, Glam fam.